Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process Altice remote volume not working and how to fix. Okay. So guys, if you are facing this issue, don't worry. We are going to solve this issue by each step. First of all, check the batteries. How to check this? Open the battery compartment cover and remove the old batteries. And then check for the corrosion or damage on the old batteries. If damaged or corroded, replace with new battery. Okay. And then insert the new battery matching positive or negative end with correct polarity. Okay. So second step is check the TV volume setting. Press the volume up button, ensure not on the lowest or mute. Okay. And look for the on-screen display or listen for volume changes. If volume is low or muted, press the volume up multiple times. So our third step is repair the remote. How to do this? Press the home button on your Optimum remote, navigate to the setting and select remote, and then choose the option to pair Optimum one remote. And after this, before clicking on a pair remote, hold down 7 and 9 button simultaneously for about 10 seconds to enter pairing mode. After holding the button, click on the pair remote control and then place the remote close to the Optimum receiver to establish a connection. If the pairing process is unsuccessful, hold the 7 and 9 button again for at least 5 seconds, then press X or home button to exit the pairing screen. Okay. So our fourth step is reset the Altice remote. Simultaneously hold down 7 and 9 button for few seconds. Let go of the bottom and then press and power button for attempt the reset. Try using a remote again with your cable box to see if the volume functionality has been restored. Okay. If all of these steps is still not working for you, you can contact Optimum customer support for assistance. Their team can provide more in-depth guidance possible, identifying issue that can't be resolved at home. Okay. So thanks guys. Having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.